Hello.
Hi. Sorry, sir, are you filming?
Not allowed.
No, you're not allowed.
Oh, I needed that. Oh, mad. This has been my day. Right, so today's been pretty mad, stressful, horrible. Just to fly to where I am now, I'll show you what happened. So I went from Heathrow to Oslo, and then from Oslo to Tromso, which is the Arctic North. I just thought I'd do it. It was just... I do stuff like this, you'll understand when you follow this channel eventually. Just go to the most dumbest places. I'm here now, and I just, why am I here? It'll be fun. We've got a whole weekend. It's only Friday night, so we've got a whole weekend. I leave Monday morning. It's supposed to snow Sunday. I think it is Sunday morning. God, no, worst sleep ever. Oh, I thought it was a good sleep till I kept getting woken up. A bang coming from next door. You might hear it in a minute. Banging, and what are they doing? Military training or something? What is the time? What's the time? It's just gone 6 o'clock, but I've had no sleep. I got to sleep about 2 o'clock. Woke up around 4 to some banging right next to my bed, and then just couldn't get back to sleep. Oh, I was so drained. I just don't feel right. But it's daytime. Look, I'll switch on, look. The daylight. And yeah, I'm gonna get up now and go get ready for breakfast. I think it's at 7. Try and beat everyone down there, see what food they serve up, and I'll report back. I might take the camera, I don't know, see how it goes. So one thing I want to say is that Norway is cashless society. It is World Economic Forum. You know, it is, you know, world government nonsense and all that. What people talk about was coming into the UK and to American places. Yeah, you'll find it strange. Well, you won't if you use your card. It's just tap and go. I found some of the machines not to work properly. Might be my phone case. It's pretty bulky. But yeah, I've had no problems. The buses as well. Everyone will say, no, you have to use this app called Zipper, I can't pronounce it. And I was going on, I just couldn't understand the app to get a bus ticket, but yeah, you pay a fixed rate and just go round. Simple, really. So I've just noticed, I think I need some new shoes. These are the state of my shoes. I've had them a couple of years. These are Skechers, and yeah, they're worn out. They're literally worn out. When you walk, the shoelaces come out because they're that worn out. And I'll show you something, yeah? I just noticed. Can you see that? I've got a hole. You can see my socks, look. And it's just worn out. Same with this side. It's worn out. I do a lot of walking. I easily do over 10,000 steps a day. That was amazing. Oh, best food I've had in ages. Right, they've got a lift, but I always take the stairs. It's an exercise, isn't it? Right, so this is level 3. I'm on level 4, and I'll show you. God, I haven't got it today. So tired. It's boiling in here. My room. Look at that, eh? The sun is shining. Is that working? I don't know. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. Don't matter which way you put it in. So yeah, let's go outside. Let's go up that road there. It's not far, it's like 2 meters. And we're going to have a look at the harbour, the bay, and try and get a grip on the area. They don't look very healthy above that mountain at the other back end there. Remember, there could be loads of crap behind that mountain. Mountain, hill, what do you call them around here? Are they hills? Are they mountains? Look at that one there, it's got trees on it, I just realised. Look at all the trees. Norway is very foresty and mountainous. So, yeah, let's go and have a look. Right, so, this is it. You get a lot of cruise ships in here. There you go, what's this one? I don't know what that is. Is that a cruise ship? That's quite big. Yeah, there's a lot going on. Not at the moment. Right, so I'm going to tell you now, even though it's coming into summer, you need a coat. It's freezing. This is like a typical UK summer, winter, where it's cold in the daytime, and that's what it feels like in the end of May, early June. Yeah, look at this. Catamarans. Well, they are there. Got the odd boat. It's dead at the moment, there's no one around. I'm going to walk round to that bridge. You can see the Tromso bridge over there. So I think it'll be good to have a look at. I believe you can walk over the top. Right, I nearly broke my neck a minute ago. There's still ice about. And I walked into this puddle and it was icy. God man, I nearly broke my back. There's a lot of seagulls, they just let them nest here. Not in the UK, they're like, no one lets them nest on the roofs. But every building is just covered in gull shit. But yeah, so far so good. I was just observing some of these shops. That one's a bar, bistro, music. Don't know what that one is, Sophie. Funkies, I think that's, I don't know what that is. Specialist, I think it's hairdresser. It says hairstyling. So I guess that's what it is. Pep's Pizza. Wonder what the prices are probably around here. Oh, there's one over there, another pizza place. Slices for 39. 39, it's £3.90. I just had a zero on the end really. Let's have a look in here. You won't want to fall in now, would you? That's freezing cold. Look at all these sea urchins, all these little black dots. The sea urchins. You can just take a look at the place and you know what it's like really. You can see it. There's not, well, what I've noticed, multiculturalism, is that the word? It's like people from all places you wouldn't expect to be living here. So you've got Asians, Middle Eastern, Africans, everyone seems to be living here. Not for me. I would not live here through the winter. I can't bear it like it is now. It just reminds me of December in England. Nowhere, the sun's out but it's still chilly and you might need to wear gloves. Oh look, I just saw some artwork on the building. It's pretty interesting. Look at this. That's impressive. Every corner you go around there's something different. That's really cool. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I haven't got a clue. Anybody know what this is? I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a power cable thing. I just saw the power cables, or whatever it is. It's like, we use telephone poles in England. They don't use those here. Don't know what that. That's rather odd. Look at that for a view. So you know when I said we're going to go and climb a mountain tomorrow? There's no way I'm going up there. That's pretty high. What I can see, I can make out like, I can make it just there. Can you see it? In the middle. It goes all the way up. There's a cafe at the top, I think. I've been seeing a lot of people going around on scooters, so I'm going to have a look into getting a scooter. So let's go down here, let's have a look. This is fun. Right, so we're doing it. We're walking over the bridge. It's a one way by the looks of it, and there was a toll thingy at the bottom, so I think you got to pay a toll. So come on. Yeah. My legs can't handle this. I'm suffering from extreme fatigue, something I've never ever felt before. But the area just looks beautiful. Look at the mountains at the back. Wow. Oh, this is just going to get better. So one thing I noticed walking around and meeting people, no one talks really. They put heads down. Like I say, most of them are introverted. So you gotta respect it. You can't just force conversations. It's not nice. You shouldn't do that. There's some vloggers out there that do it, but I'm the same. I'm an introvert really, but I'm not going to be fake. But yeah, I'm not fit for this weather. Everyone's wearing coats, these mittens, and yeah, I saw one person wearing an AC Milan shirt and shorts. So you obviously know he's come from Italy. Not realised that it's really cold here, and I didn't realise how long this bridge was. This is just going to keep going. Look, where does it end? Okay, I turned around. When you get just onto where the water starts, you get a lot of wind, and it's freezing. My face is numb. It's just, it's numb. Oh, it's horrible. Oh, I want to go home. So that was the bridge. I can feel the wind now. It's really cold. You got that cathedral. I don't know what it's called. I can't remember. I put it on the screen. I can't remember because it's cold. But this camera doesn't do it justice properly. It's really nice. And then you've got the Arctic. What's it called? The Arctic Gateway to the Arctic or something it's called. Nice little archway there. In the background, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at it. You see that? Sun hitting the top of those mountains. Why have we got no sun here? Even though it's 24 hours a day sunlight, you know, it does get darker. I guess like I don't know what they call it, twilight sort of, that sort of light. Dusk. You get dusk, but you don't get full darkness. Oh, it's cold. Oh, what was I thinking? I don't know. And they've got tables and chairs out here. I mean, who sits outside in this? Does it actually ever get warm here? I've seen videos of people in shorts and t-shirts going up the top of the mountains, but I don't know about that. It might be AI. I'm joking. It is going to get warm next week. 17 to 20 degrees. It just happens that when I leave, the temperature rises. When I get here, the temperature dies. But it is what it is, and it's one of them things. Just got to go with what Chuck said. I don't know, this place. It's very liberal. I'm going to upset a lot of people when I say feminism is rife here. It's not really, but I don't know. A lot of the shops that are open are just empty. I don't know, maybe people just can't afford to go out and eat. I haven't got a clue. I don't know what it's like around here. But yeah, I've got loads of pictures today anyway, so all good. Go check the Instagram out. It's down the bottom here, where you've got to look for. Yeah, you see a lot of these electric scooters. There's a lot of those about. Most, I'd say 80% of the shops around here are restaurants. There's so many sea urchins in the water, and you got like a boat lodge. I'm guessing this is where they bring the boats in and do repairs. Maybe it's dry dock. I think it's called a dry dock. Yeah, and that one there, look, it goes on and they just it comes in. Every time I look at that part of the back there, that man, it just takes my breath. I can't believe I'm actually here. Yeah, amazing. There you go, a bit of history for you. Look, yeah, Canon. There's another one around the side. But yeah, pause it and read it in your language. I'm just finding so much that a lot of these YouTube channels don't show you. There's so much interesting stuff that they've just skimmed over and missed. Look at these buildings, man, they just look so awesome. How they did not get cold. It's made of wood. You know, you think it'd be bricks. Plenty of bricks behind me, mate. Look at the size of that mountain. scooters. It's called Ride. Is it Ride? Ride, yeah, they got little flashy lights on them. But I don't know how you go about getting that. I'm going to look at the app. Alright, I'm going to talk about my internet. How am I using Google Maps? How am I doing this? Well, I did download the area before I came. So, I downloaded it. It was like 500 megabytes. And then, all I did was I got onto Revolut, you know, the app, Cash app, and they gave me a gigabyte for free. I'm not going to use a gigabyte just traveling around, walking and using my maps and taking photos. So, and I upload the pictures as I'm going along, as I'm walking, onto my Instagram. And yeah, there's a 7-Eleven there. I might go and grab some crappy junk food, bottle of water maybe, something like that. Yeah. Oh, look where we are. Look at that beauty. Isn't that amazing? Can we go inside? I'm going to see if I can go inside. The reason why there's not many people about, I've realised it's 8:30. Just go around the corner and you'll find some really cool stuff. And I'm going to end on this, okay?